Hello everyone, I am Rukhsana and again I am here with another video. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how we can learn English with 4 easy steps. But before this, I want to tell you guys that if you are new to this channel and you are watching my video for the first time, so please subscribe my channel and watch my previous video as well so that you also learn English in a sequence. And I don't want you to miss anything guys. So now it's time to move into the whole video. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So first of all, I'm going to ask a question that what's your method to learn your mother tongue in your childhood? Maybe you would have started from very basic words or very basic sentences. Or maybe you would have stuck while speaking with your parents or with your family member. Or maybe you would have made so many mistakes while learning your mother tongue. And you wouldn't have felt embarrassed for making those mistakes. So again, it's time to consider yourself as a child. And consider this also that you are learning English for the first time. So for this, you should not have problem for making the same mistake to learn another language. Or you should not feel embarrassed if you stuck while speaking English. Or you should not feel bad when someone tried to make you correct when you speak any wrong sentence or any wrong word. So do you also want to learn English to apply the same method which you apply to learn your mother tongue? If yes, so continue this video and watch it till the end. So now you are going to learn English from a very basic level, and for this you have to do 4 things on a daily basis. Listening. Here I will ask the same question that how did we learn our mother tongue? And the answer is this, that we learned our mother tongue to listen our parents, to listen our family members and to listen others as well. And whatever we used to listen, we used to speak same. So why we cannot apply the same method to learn English language? So for now, what you have to do is this, that you have to listen English content for 15 to 30 minutes daily according to your interest, like English news, English speeches, English podcast, sports commentary. It can be anything. Even you can watch English movies, English web series. The focus should be on your listening. So from now, start to listen any interesting topic daily, because the more you will listen, the more it becomes easy to understand for you. Writing. Well, it is scientifically proven that the more we write, the more we can memorize those words, those sentences in our mind, and it increases our fluency while speaking also. So there is second task which you have to do again for 15 to 30 minutes. That whatever you will listen, whatever you will watch, like movies, stories, news, podcasts, you have to summarize it in 1 to 2 pages. And if you have any doubt that you have written it correctly or not, so you can take help of your friend or your elder to get it done checked. And when you do the same things daily, you will see the difference in yourself. You will see that how it has become easier to make sentences. And you will be able to understand that where you need to put present, past and future sentences. And apart of that, it will help you in your speaking also. Reading. Reading is also an important part to learn any language, because until we read, how we will come to know that how to spell this word in a particular language. So here is the third task again for 15 to 30 minutes, that whatever you have written after watching news or after listening podcast, you have to read it loudly 4 or 5 times so that you can hear your voice or you can listen the pronunciation of words. When you do the same things on daily for some time, I am telling you guys, it will help you a lot. Initially, you will not see any difference, but after some time, you will see that you will not face any difficulty to spell any word. And you will see that words and sentences are coming out from your mouth easily because you have done practice for that. Speaking. Speaking is most important step to learn any language. If you don't do practice speaking, your all effort of listening, writing and reading is going to be useless if you really want to learn speak in English. So you have to do speaking practice for 15 to 30 minutes daily. After listening, writing, and reading the same content, you have to recite it to your friend or your siblings in English. And if you don't have anyone and you feel shy at your beginner level, so you can speak in front of mirror or you can make your video so that later you can watch your mistake and you in future you try to correct those mistakes. So here are 4 easy steps with one method to learn English and to learn how to speak in English. Please do practice of all 4 things for some time and you will see the result. One more thing I want to clear here that don't consume too much content for your speaking, reading, writing and listening because you will get confused that what to listen, what to watch. So instead of that, just watch one video in a day and use it in a 4 ways. Means use same content for your reading, writing, speaking and listening. I know it will take some time, but you will achieve it. So that's all for today. I hope you really like this video and you learned some valuable things today. If yes, so please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed to it. And please share this video with everyone who want to learn English. So bye guys, till then take care and keep learning. I will meet you soon in another video.